dealing with gradients. We have gradients here. We're dealing with gradients. Now, many times we need to understand what gradients are about, because some questions, if I change it as slope. So whether you see slope or gradient, we are talking about the same thing. Alright, I have a question here on the board. We are going to interact on so that we can be clarified on what gradient is all about and what slope is all about. They are not the same thing. They are not different thing. They are still the same thing. Alright. For instance, we are given a question: y equals mx plus b. Y equals mx plus b. Now, I only bring this alphabet into this formula to interpret what we have here on the board. Now, this m here signifies our slope or gradient of the line. Our m signifies slope or gradient of the line, while this b refers to our y coordinate of y-intercept. Y coordinate of y-intercept. For instance, we are given the question, given that y equals 4x plus 6, then the slope of the straight line is equals to what? What is the slope? Remember, I told you that slope is the same thing as gradient. So you know what? I can say what is the gradient of the straight line. It's very simple. You are not asked to solve anything here. Just identify your slope or your gradient and identify your intercept. Therefore, to answer this question, the slope of the straight line is equals to 4, because remember 4x here is our gradient, just like our mx here is our slope or gradient. So your y-intercept. So that is it. So I'm going to give you another question where they can ask us to solve for our gradient. How we can solve our gradient? I'm going to give you another question. Take a look. Are you ready? Alright. Just like I told you that we have a question to solve under gradient. For instance, when you are asked to find gradient as well, this is the formula you can use to solve your gradient, which is n, which is your gradient. N equals x2 minus x1 all over x2 minus x1. Now we are having a question underneath which says find the slope. Remember, slope is the same thing as the gradient. Find the slope of the line joining A, which is 6, 4, B, which is minus 2, 8. Remember, I told you whenever we have points, let's try to identify it and name it. Now let's identify this point A and point B and name them. Under this point A, the first number here is our x1. Our second one is your y1. Under here, the point B, the first letter here is your x2. Y, second one here is your y2. Now, we've already identified and named our points. Let's try to substitute them into our formula. We have m equals y2 minus y1. What is our y2? Our y2 is 8. 8 minus y1, which is 4. Everything over x2 minus x1. What is our x2? Our x2 is minus 2. Minus x1, which is 6. Now, subtracting them, we have 8 minus 4 will give us 4. Y minus 2 minus 6 will give us minus 8. Now we can divide further. 4 here 1, 4 here 2. That means our n is equals 1 over 2. So this is your gradient. 1 minus, your gradient is minus 1 over 2. So thank you very much, and don't forget to always subscribe to this channel, as I'm giving you easy formula to solve your difficult mathematics. Thank you very much. God bless you.